Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to save your Canva designs as a PDF. Downloading Canva design as a PDF file ensures you retain high quality print ready files that are easy to share and maintain their formatting across different devices. So let's start the video. First, let's open Canva and go to the design you want to save as a PDF file. So this is our design. Now click on the share button at the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear with a few options. Scroll down and click on the download button. A new set of options will pop up. Here you will see a file type option. Click on the drop-down menu and from the list choose either PDF standard or PDF print. PDF standard is perfect for sharing file via email or other online apps, while PDF print is the best option if you plan to print your design, as it provides a higher resolution. Once you have selected your preferred PDF type, just hit the download button at the bottom. Canva will process your design, and once it's done, your PDF will automatically be saved on your computer's default download folder. So click to open it. So that's it, you have successfully saved your Canva design as a PDF. Thanks for watching.